Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights, Camera, Cookies. Thank you so much for being here with us today. My name is Larissa and this is my good friend. And we like to bring you cookie decorating videos. We like to show you how we decorate the cookie and then we like to talk about the topic afterwards. And today's topic is, no, it's not Disney themed.
What?
Yeah, can you imagine? It is not Disney themed. It's something pretty cool. Can you guess what it is? It's...
You went through my stuff! Again!
It's Pokemon themed! So we're gonna show you how to make this guy. That's Bulbasaur.
Oh, look at him!
What does he say? Bulba. Did I make that up?
No, that's good.
You're right, Bulba. I think he came out pretty cute. So we're gonna show you how we make him and we will be right back with you, cookie friends.
Yes! Let's go!
So first thing I always do is outline in my edible food safe markers, and you can see that my ink was definitely running out, so I wound up using a red food coloring to color in his mouth, and my black marker was working, so I put that in for the dark part of his mouth. And then I came in and I outlined everything in that sea green color that he is. I actually mixed my own color. They're Wilton brand colors. That's the only brand I use, honestly, and I mix the colors and I try to get them almost to be a perfect match. And you can see my icing bag, I cut a really thin tip because I didn't want any bubbles. You know, the thinner the tip, the less bubbles you could possibly have, or the less, you know, weird behavior of icing. And this was a pretty good consistency icing because it came out nice and smooth. There was really very little touch-ups I had to do, which was pretty cool. And while that was still wet, I put in the whites for his eyes, and you know, I came in and I did his little, I don't know what you call that, his bulb? I'm not sure. So once that was all dry, with my edible markers, I put in his eyes, and you know what, that red that I painted that I had so much trouble with, it shouldn't have been red, it should have been pink the whole time. So I just came back and covered up my mistake and no one would even know. And I also took my fine point marker, I just did some detail just to try to give him a little bit more character, make him look a little bit more realistic, a little bit more life going on with him. And I also took my marker and I made his marks that are characteristic of Bulbasaur, and I just came back in and wanted to do a little bit more touch up with my paint and food coloring, and you know, I think it came out pretty good actually. And of course he needed to also have his teeth coming in there. There we go, now it looks like him.
So, did you think that was pretty awesome? Because I thought it was pretty
awesome!
I was really excited to do these. So, like with Bulbasaur...
Razor leaf!
So with Bulbasaur, oh, you know, you saw it. All of this was done with my edible markers.
Alright, show the other ones!
Super cute.
Show the rest! Took it to the next level!
Oh, I should have made an evolution of these cookies.
Oh, that would have been awesome! They could have been bigger! So cute!
Squirtle. What does Squirtle say? Squirtle.
Yeah!
Right? Squirtle. He's so cute. Real quick about the cookies, some of the things that I use, obviously I use the Glaze Icing as per usual, but you know,
his eyes are following me!
At first I struggled with like how realistic am I making these, you know, or am I making them like super cute, or like I didn't know, so I actually painted them with food coloring, of course, and I made these like the detail shadows. I used my edible food safe markers to draw the lines, so
They look good!
I think they came out pretty good, right?
Wait, show some of the other ones! Oh, there he is!
Right, okay, here he is, you know, the main...
Pika!
The main... Pika! Pikachu! I thought Pikachu was super cute, but he wasn't my favorite. You know how sometimes like the main character of a show, they're not always my favorite.
Show the rest! There he is!
Charmander.
Flamethrower!
What does Charmander say? What's his like...
Char!
That's what he says?
Char!
Oh, okay, and then we've got... He's cute. One of my favorites.
Oh!
Togepi. What you're gonna find out really quick is my
Can you do the voice?
My favorites are the cute ones.
Can you do the voice? Togepi!
Oh, Togepi.
Yeah, that one's cute.
Yeah, I really like him.
Who carried her?
Misty.
Yes! Oh, you got it!
I'm not like the most knowledgeable Pokemon person out there, but I did know that one. And then...
Oh, your all-time favorite!
Jigglypuff. And
it's like a self-portrait.
I am going to take that as a compliment because this one is very cute. And
you're cute and you put people to sleep.
Wow.
Oh!
Wow. Okay.
Hank, use the Waken!
And then we've got the Pokeball.
Keep that thing away from me!
I'm gonna catch you in that.
I am not going in your Pokeball!
So yeah, these were all of them. And which one is your favorite? We will also have a compilation video of all of these showing how we've made all of them. But these are like one of my favorite sets ever.
This was awesome.
It brings back a lot
like brought us back to the 90s.
Yeah, it brings back a lot of nostalgia.
Show them my stuff since you stole it.
So yeah, so
Let's
I
go.
totally violated Hank's
Broke
privacy.
into the Hank Collector Bank.
And
that's newer.
Newer Detective Pikachu.
Oh, that was so good.
What did you think? Did you like it?
I liked it.
Okay. Did you like it?
I liked it.
Let us know. We've got from the year.
Oh, look at him.
From what year?
Man, that was a throwback.
From 1998?
Yeah.
We've got a Raichu, and he's looking a little...
Yeah, he's looking a little dated. He hasn't seen the air since about 2000. Man, you stole everything.
Okay, so I also...
Be careful with that!
Please tell me. Please tell me someone
my
out
saved
there
game.
remembers
I got
this.
all of them.
What color Game Boy did you have to play this in?
I had Game Boy Advance, the green.
Me too! I had the lime green
The lime
one.
green.
Yes!
The Game Boy Color.
Did you guys have this? Do you even know what we're talking about? And if you did, please tell me what color you had. Okay.
Yeah, remember you used the cord to like link up?
Yes. This is the updated game, right? So
yeah. That's
we
the one
no
on the
longer
Switch.
need this. We
Oh,
have
but
this
wait. Did you have red and blue?
for the Switch.
Did you have red or blue?
I really don't know the difference. Like I said, I'm not a huge Pokemon like fan.
Blue!
But I should have said blue. Of course.
Blue!
Of course.
Squirtle.
What's the difference?
Bulbasaur was on the cover.
Okay.
Bulbasaur was blue.
Okay.
Charizard was red.
Okay.
That's it. You
And,
chose
like,
red or blue.
Were you them as the character?
You could be.
Or... Oh, okay. Okay, so
Remember
and now
Pokemon
we've got...
Stadium on, what was that, Nintendo 64?
Maybe. I don't remember. But speaking of Nintendo 64, my favorite game ever was Pokemon Snap. for
Pokemon
Nintendo
Pinball!
64. That was the best game for me, Pokemon Snap. And then, imagine how elated I was when I found out the Pokemon Snap was coming in for the Switch.
Yeah,
But Ray, I really...
boring!
Pokemon fans out there.
Let's ride around and snap pictures.
I'm asking you for the truth. Is this like a lame game? Like, I love this game. I love just sitting there and taking pictures and like it's fun and relaxing for me. But I feel like if you're like one of those real true Pokemon fans, this is probably not the game you're playing. Am I right?
There's no action in that game.
I love it because
your SIM card is full.
There are no Pokemon. Like I wish there were Pokemon out in the world. I would take pictures of them. So much fun. Oh, I think this is a great game. Someone please let me know what you think, and please let me know if you think this game is cool, because I do. So
be careful.
I'm gonna be careful. So Hank has someone. When were these from, Hank?
Oh, those were early 90s.
All right, so we've got Charmander. I didn't realize that like these images were sketched or.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I gave you like the basic starter kit.
Charmander, Squirtle. Look at Squirtle making little bubbles.
Yeah, he's blue.
So wait, that's Squirtle's big thing? He makes bubbles?
Yeah.
And
where have you been?
Bulbasaur. Like I said, I'm not like a huge fan. Like, but you could also play with these. I never played with them. Jinx.
The next one.
I like Jinx.
Oh, it's like my prom date.
Who's Noah? Oh my God! It says Pikachu.
Oh, what?
Sorry, it says Pikachu.
Why did you say Noah?
Because it says Noah right here. Is that?
That's the power. Oh,
sorry. Okay.
Who's Noah?
Jigglypuff. And the lullaby. Okay. Giga. No. Oh my gosh. Raichu. Staryu and Psyduck. Oh, darn it! I should have made Psyduck with this set. Psy, right? Psy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He always had a headache.
I feel like I relate to Psyduck. Other ones that I loved Snorlax. I like Clefairy.
I like Team Rocket.
Did you really?
I'm always in black. I could be a Team Rocket agent.
Oh, I always thought they were just
Give
annoying.
me that artifact.
Ruining everything.
Wait, that's for you. You need it.
Yeah.
You need it.
Next thing.
Yeah.
The official Pokemon handbook. Which...
Generation 1.
Oh, Chansey.
Wait, don't study it.
Isn't she always in the nurse's station?
Don't study, yeah.
Oh, Poliwag. I like Mr. Mime. Is he like...
Oh, Mr. Mime.
Is he uncool? Like, is he not the one that...
I wouldn't put him in my top 5.
Lick-a-tongue.
Ew.
Lick-a-tongue.
It's like your dog.
Alright,
Who's the main character?
Pikachu.
No! You lose!
Ash.
Ash what?
Ketchum.
And who's his rival?
It's not Team Rocket?
Ah!
I don't know. I'm sorry. God.
Look in the handbook.
Oh.
Back page!
Okay.
Keep going. Oh, there's Nurse Joy. Oh.
Sorry. Oh, Gary Oak? No.
Yeah, it was Gary.
Oh, okay.
Trying to throw you off.
Nurse Joy. Nurse Joy is so cute.
So cute.
You okay, Hank?
Yeah.
Do you need a moment?
Hey, Brock had a huge crush too.
What? So, what we're gonna do to end out this episode is to further humiliate me and make sure that all of you out there know that I'm not cool and blah 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 and that Hank is better than me. We're gonna take a Pokemon
People
quiz.
know that. Throw it up on Instagram. Who's cooler? Gonna win.
Okay.
I'm winning that.
You probably
I
will.
love the fans.
So, like I said, we are on Gearoid.me/Pokemon.
Oh.
So, you can see my screen exactly what we're looking at. So, I know this one. Oh,
What is it? What is it? Clefairy.
Oh, brother, I don't know how to spell their name.
Yeah.
Clefairy.
Yeah.
Look at that snaggle.
One for Hank.
Who's next? That's
Mewtwo.
darn it. Okay.
I love Mewtwo. He's got those little weird hands.
Mewtwo. Don't
Got
make...
very long legs.
Oh, I don't know this one. It's like a snake. A serpent.
Ekans?
What?
Evans? Ekans?
Evans? Oh, Ekans.
Ekans.
Okay, you were right. You were right.
Something like that.
Bellsprout.
Bellsprout! Stunspore!
Oh, shoot. Bellsprout. Guys, let me know if you are guessing these. Please let me know. Okay, who's
next
next?
one.
Who's next? Oh, that's a Gloom.
Gloom!
Gloom.
Yeah! Oh, look at that drool. Gross.
All right, who's next? That's... I wanted to say Bulbasaur's...
No.
Like...
That's like the one, the male or female. Right on? No.
Alright, I don't know. Rhydon?
Oh, I got it!
Did you guys know that? You knew that.
Is that Rhydon? Oh, look at this!
Oh, it's Clefairy.
Yeah.
Oh, phew.
I'm waiting
No,
for
we
you.
already did that.
Waiting
No,
for
this
you.
is Chansey.
Oh, Chansey. Clefairy, Chansey. Oh!
Oh, that's the one from Pokemon Snap that's always in the water.
Come on.
I don't know.
No.
I don't know. What's his name? Do you guys know? I don't know.
Put something in.
Oh, Dratini. All right, who's next? Who's next? That's Clefairy something, right?
That's the evolution.
Clarion?
Clarabelle.
Clarion? Did I make that up? Oh, Clefable.
Clefable.
Oh,
Oh!
that's a rat-tat-tat-tat-tat.
Type it in.
Rat-tat-tat-tat-tata. Oh, Raticate. Look at those teeth.
Yeah,
What
pretty
can
good.
you do with those teeth?
Oh! Remember this one? This is a fossil. This is a fossil.
I don't know. Oh.
Yeah, I was never gonna remember
Midnight?
that. Remember you got him in the cave.
Oh, that's the phoenix bird.
Yeah, that's one of those rare
I
ones.
sound so stupid.
That's a rare one.
That's... Moltres.
Yeah.
Okay.
One was ice.
Oh, that's
Yeah, what's the one? Magikarp.
Oh my gosh. How many friends am I losing?
Magikarp!
How many friends
What
am
did it
I
turn
losing
into?
after this?
What did it turn into? Gyarados.
Oh, he has something cool, right?
He was blue.
Bulbasaur.
Yeah, you botched the spelling on that one. Oh, what's this one? Come on, it's the evolution.
Of Bulbasaur.
No. Well, the final evolution.
I don't know.
It's like Venusaur.
Oh, wow. Yep.
Yes! Oh, come on!
That's the little worm.
Come on, there's so many of them. Nobody ever wants them.
Oh, a Whittle. A Waddle. A Weedle.
No,
A Weedle?
Weedle's the poison one.
Oh my god. Oh, this is the green one.
The green one.
A
Tick tock, tick tock.
Caterpie.
Yes! You got it.
This is why I'm not on Jeopardy. What is a... Would not... That's a crab thing. That's a...
Paris? Just becomes it from a Paris.
Oh, parasect.
Oh, that's the evolution. Oh, look at that one!
It's T-bone.
No, Q-bone! T-bone! Ah! T-bone! What the fuzz? Is that a steak? That's a T-bone. Oh!
Duodenum is a medical term.
What?
The
duo.
Oh my god, duo.
The duo. And then they had 3 heads.
Duo. Brother. Duo.
The dodo.
And that's that.
Execute.
Execute.
Stripe. We are really sucking.
Oh, brother. Oh, executor.
Executor. Yeah.
All right. Well, I think we're done. We've embarrassed ourselves fully. At least I've embarrassed myself.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Hey.
Yeah.
What do you call a Pikachu that can fix a computer?
A Geekachu.
That's a good one.
Okay.
What did one Geodude say to another one?
Let's rock.
Yes! What does Pokemon stand for?
Oh my gosh, and he's also told me this.
Ha ha! It's not even a joke! It's a fact!
What is it?
Check. Pocket
Monsters.
Yes!
Oh, guys, this was a lot of fun. I really hope that you enjoyed watching me humiliate myself and not
Yes!
know
Always a good
anything
time!
about Pokemon.
Check Instagram for our vote on who's cooler, me or her.
Please check out that compilation video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us.
Yes!
If you do like this, please be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications for more fun videos just like this. And do check us out on Instagram and Facebook.
Yes,
Hang out with
please
us there.
subscribe!
Yes.
We love to see our new subscribers!
And we will see you next time,
Yes!
friends.
Yes! Catch 'em all!
No. Listen. I'm not focused. I'm not focused.
Help!
Squirtle.
Oh, come on. What's the basic attack for a
I fell
Pokemon?
asleep.
Catch it!
I'm holding it.
Gotta catch it! Squirtle, tackle!
Boom. Pipshire. Go Papa Pipshire. I really wish I knew more.
Yeah, me too.